Welcome to Champions.
Namhlanje nesibizile sila ekhaya namhlanje ngoba le second interview yami engiyenzayo ama preschools ngoba abazali baletha abantwana preschools aba understand ukuthi behind ekuletheni kwabo abantwana ukuthi enhlangabezana nazo yahlekahle nokuthi abantwana benza kahle preschool abaza abantwana ngicela ukuthi uzazise ukuthi uprincipal ubani yini igama le-crash and ikupnenga.
Okay, igama lami nginguNontobeko Sibomo.
Ngicela ngathi ungakhulumela phezulu.
Kumela phansi. Igama lami nginguNontobeko Sibomo, principal wase-Champions Daycare and Learning Center. Champions Daycare and Learning Center. See, we are based here at Greenfields next to the community hall. Sivule e-Champions nge-8 zika-January 2024. Sivula sinabantwana abayi-3 and savala unyaka sinabantwana abayi-28. Then last year saqhubeka namanje. Right now we are sitting close to 50 kids. uNkulunkulu uyasinceda kakhulu. Okay, what was the question?
Uthi principal sivule
nge-8 zika-January 2024.
2024 shuthi i-preschool iseseyintsha kahle
kakhulu singama-babies ngama-newcomers kule industry.
Manje principal i-experience engaka ukuze niqale nibe nesibindi sokuvula i-preschool njengoba usho ukuthi nivule manje ngo-2024.
Yes.
Yebo yini into eyakuphusha ukuthi uze uvule isikole namhlanje i-preschool?
Yes, into eyangenza ukuthi ngivule i-preschool uthando labantwana. I love kids. I love nje environment la engisurround khona ngabantwana. Abantwana basically nje abantwana happy, they are happy souls. Abakho depressed, abafani nathi bahlala bahlekile bayadlala. So I like that environment. Ngithanda abantwana more than anything and I like to nurture. Ngiyathanda ukondla, ngiyathanda ukunakekela abantwana. So bekuyileyo nto esenhlizweni nami ukuthi ngathi I can do something for abantwana. So yes, I would say that's the main reason which I wanted to nurture. I wanted to ukuthi ngondle abantwana uyayibona holistically like ngibondle physically na otherwise ukuthi ngibondle ke nangemfundo. Uyayibona.
Okay, ngibuza uprincipal ukuthi usakhula ngozibona namhlanje orana i-preschool.
Not at all. Not at all. I would be lying. It was never in my plans. Yes, I do love kids. I grew up loving abantwana. As a result, I remember at some stage my mother said, "Oh, I'm worried about you. Ngathi ngeke kube nabantwana the way bathanda ngakhona abantwana." Because there's that belief or myth ethi bawuthanda abantwana kakhulu wena kwesakho isibeletho ungabi nabo. So bengithanda abantwana in such a way that my parents thought I would never go abantwana from my own womb. But fortunately because it's a precious God wangipha ke umntwana wangipha abantwana. So I am a mother biologically and also I'm a mother to my close to 50 kids. Champions.
I-preschool uzura ne-preschool uke realize ukuthi kahle le yi-calling yami ubizo labo.
To be honest, I found out ukuthi we call it Yamaka Soberani. Let me be honest, when I started in Champions, I wanted to correct the wrong things when I was born. I need to remember I said I'm a mother myself, so we are my crash. So best labona abantwana the way bafunda ngakhona. So besibona abantwana ukuthi bafundiswa kanjani, like the style of teaching bebafundiswa ngaso abantwana bethu, like kuthiwe dog, inja, ikati, cat, you know that kind of yabona the way besifundiswa ngakhona. So I wanted to correct that. I was like, no man, but we cannot be teaching abantwana ngaleyo ndlela now. Umntwana oselokishini must be able to communicate nomntwana ohlala kuma-suburbs mabahlangane mall kube English kungabi second language. It must come out naturally. Like uElet Mumbona ahlangana nomlungu, he must be able to communicate nomntwana lapha emall nje freely. So I wanted to instill that with Iman Party we can speak English. Surely ke manje asifundise abantwana bethu English so that mabafika behlangana nabanye abantwana of another race bakhona ukucommunicate nge-English, because English is the universal language. Angithi wonke umuntu noma ungafika kweyiphi country sikhuluma English. Yes.
Ngoba nama ngikhumbula kahle masakhula i-English besingayazi. Mawukhuluma i-English hey bo bamkhulu kakhulu.
Yeah, so I wanted to do that, Sisonke, and then I wanted to correct that, and I realized ke manje mase sengivulile daycare ukuthi oh, this is also my calling, because I remember I said I love abantwana. I grew up loving abantwana and I still love abantwana. So mangivula ke i-crash, I was like, but let us athi something to correct man lezi zinto engazithandi ema-crash. Nalokuthi ke I hope abazungibhadela abogogo laba bebana ama-crash before. Nalokuthi sisonke i-crash before bekuyinto ohambisa umntwana, uthola ukuthi umntwana bayalala babadlisa umdoko babaceda babagcobisa ivaseline kuso, and then kuphelile lapho ayikho into abaphuma nayo oyizwayo ukuthi hayibo lo muntu bekayofunda esikoleni. So I wanted to correct that ukuthi ayimana we can do better than this. Uyayibona kule generation yethu
ngoba besazi ukuthi abantwana bahambise crash ngoba abazali bayasebenza
bayogcinwa kahle kahle.
So ama challenges ohlangabezane nawo throughout i-journey yokuvula i-crash yini?
Yo, I was never ready. I was never ready, Sisonke, to be honest. Number one, remember, let me put it like this. Ngiqala crash as I would say like a hobby on the side, a side job, because I was working, but I had time or I crash. But I realized there's a lot of things that are needed in order for run a successful ECD. And you must be qualified, number one. Yes. So I had to get teachers that are qualified. I had to hire those people that are qualified to do that. As much as but I need a qualification.
Qualifications.
They're right. Yes. And also, and I thought it was easy in terms of you can get a sponsor, in terms of resource and all that, and toys and everything. I didn't know there's a lot of paperwork, piling of paperwork that is needed from donations, and we are still working on that. And also, another, let me emphasize this. I think I will be helping abanye abantu abaningi. There's a challenge that we are facing as ECTs in terms of ECT planning. Kuningi abakudingayo from us. They understand your consent letter, your whatever. Those things, it's very difficult. Remember, Tina Sinechisaka, we just have this zeal. I want to do this, but then I will comply. It's very, very difficult. It's costly because we don't make profit. We don't make money. And another thing in Telugu, you should champions, Masikana, Tina Besifuna, let them close the door. Yes, at least it's going to. Another thing is that crash can run itself as long as abazali keep 300 every month, then we are going to go. I was never ready. I was never ready for that. Crash is very expensive, and also because I opened the crash not I'm not profit driven. You know, that's our slogan. We are not profit driven. Tinas we care about more than Iman. Iman is a mover, but Tinas we care a lot about Undwan. So, but isn't this thing is funa in is Iman which we do not have, unfortunately. So there are those challenges that says because these 4 meals your breakfast extending from 8 to 9, from 10 to 11 your snack, which is it can be fruit, it can be sandwich, it can be whatever I like snack, which we provide. thina umntwana wethu wala champions akezi akacarry sonke asikerisi la because
abantwana
abaphathi snack abantwana bala champions abaphathi sweet abaphathi nix the only thing that they bring impahla zabo zokuchinja because they play and then bangcole and then we siyabachinja every meal we provide la champions all those 4 meals siyazi provider bese kuba lunch from 12 to 1 our main lunch and we give them ukudla asibadlisa soya abantwana bala sesonke they don't eat soya abantwana bala
every day badla umdoko
every day badla umdoko be it your mabele your white porridge but siyachinja ngithi alternate ukuthi namhlanje badla lona kusasa but every morning they eat umdoko because umdoko is very good for their digestive system and their skin umdoko singawudlali singawubalekeli is very very good umdoko and then bedle snack babuye badle lunch babuye badle afternoon snack and also we don't give them chips asibanikeza ama chips asibanikeza ama sweet we give them fruit we give them snack it's a variety depends what season do we have like what fruit do we have in season at that time at that particular time yes
so yini into ithanda kakhulu ngokusebenza nabo Twinkle
yo they are honest I love kids they are honest they can tell you ukuthi memumubi memugqoke kabi memumuhle and all that they are so honest I love abantwana because if you want it truth you tell abantwana about 3 phela la emhlabeni yabaqiniso like an honest opinion you will get it from abantu abawu3 uzothola emntwaneni ulithole emntwini odakiwe ophuzile that person uzokutshela iqiniso la ngempela ulithole emntwini onosini so those 3 people babalekile life nabo because whatever that they tell you yilento abayicabangayo yes so abantwana they tell the truth I love abantwana and also to see umntwana sisonke afika la afake pampers akhula and be confident and they can speak English freely and they can communicate and play and unleash that talent ungayiboni wena ukuthi khona like there's also a child esinayo esimbiza induna we have ama nickname for them osimbiza induna uRR manje she came here safaki napkin and then we realized ukuthi she has this leadership skill uyathanda ukuleader whenever sisenza activity classing ufuna yena kube uye that leads uyayibona because she has that skill yokuleader we call her induna uyayibona uteam so to see umntwana khula and into something obungakhange uyicabanga ukuthi uzoba yiyo and to be this confident and this is my doing uyayibona like so you feel proud ukuthi okay yes I've done my part uyayibona and ukuthi abe ready for isikole noma sekasesikoleni so uyakuthi noma uya excel esikoleni but the foundation I laid the foundation is solid
so yini into ekwenza ukuthi uphushe noma ubona manje ukuthi manje ngiseyinkathini ezinzima kodwa uyabekezela ukuthi no yazi ukuthi ngibekezele ngiphushe ngifike ekseni ngiyelapha eChampion
the vision you know when you understand that what you are doing you are not doing it for yourself there's somebody or there's someone out there that has called you to do this that's the main reason I cannot fail there remember I said we started with only 3 kids now we have close to 50 kids and it's only 2026
in 2 years
exactly I have 2 years but ukuthi sikhule kanjani so that already you can see what the hand of God is upon us therefore I cannot if ngikhonile ukuthi uNkulunkulu angikhulisela abantwana abawu3 to 40 something close to 50 surely that means there's something that I'm doing right uyayibona so I cannot fail I cannot give up noma ngiyazizwa sometimes ukuthi oh you know what anyway I'm not making money ngosekulento but you uye uzikhuphule uzikhumbuze ukuthi it was never about money in the first place it was about the child it was about what can I do for my community uyayibona what difference can I do out there uyayibona what difference can I make out there so if I can make a difference by raising abantwana then thank you Lord you provide and shame I rely God is providing
ngicela ukuza ukuthi uyaba nayo i-challenge ukuthi manje endlini impuphi iphelile ngapha e-preschool nakhona kumele ngikhiphe esikhwameni sami ingabe uke wahlangabezana nama-challenges afana nalawo
I'll take every time endlini yami ngathi ihlala ihobho endlini yami ngathi kuhlala one of my friends was commenting ngathi angathi kuhlala iphara like makafika ekhabetheni there's nothing like there's no food because most of the time like crash so I eat here at crash nabantwana bami so I hardly cook in my house it's always the case whatever even umntanami the other day she was commenting it she was commenting about that she was like yonke into mosengcono la endlini yeah crash you will find it there uzoyibona nje kancane la endlini but for some reason uyithola crash uyayibona so whenever noma ngithi ngikhalile microwave she will say but izoyenda crash because crash that's where my heart is
ungasho ukuthi main house yakho
exactly 99% you know what so even on Saturdays I would come here and do admin I might do it on Saturdays because lana I'm here overseer we have 3 classes we have ama babies class we have ama RR we have to grade R siyaqala kuba no grade R this year because I did not want to start umntwana graduate this year and you know you would be here to capture that you would be here because you remember last year when you did izinto zethu we were not graduating but we were only having Christmas because besino RR yes I did not want ukuthi ngithathe umntwana ofika sika grade R I will ukuhamba naye step by step mangifika grade R ngiyazi ukuthi lo one and I know ukuthi yina yazi yina angayazi uyayibona that hence ke siqala ukuba no grade R this year uyayibona
okay so ezinye izinto ne ukuthi mawuqala into abantu banokugceka basho ukuthi hey ukubona ukuthi hayi njengoba aqala i-preschool le ukuthi uzophelela then izinto ezifana nalezo sendlisha kanjalo
yes so thank you for that question I did not anticipate the negativity around uqala i-preschool I thought everybody being naive in such a way that I thought ukuthi wonke umuntu uzothi oh nice abantu were commenting about umkhukhu ukuthi crash emkhukhwini and I'm like umkhukhu like wow what is wrong with umkhukhu because umkhukhu
abanye abantu bahlala
emkhukhwini like their lives like their entire lives bahlala emkhukhwini but what is wrong with umkhukhu because umkhukhu phenduka sisonke ube yilento ofuna umkhukhu ube yiyo if you want umkhukhu wakho kube ngathi yindlu umkhukhu uzoba ngathi yindlu we understand you can refurbish umkhukhu wakho ube sharp ube yilento oyifunayo and umkhukhu ube mnandi umkhukhu uhamba ngeyoda manje ngoba kuchisa
uyachisa na
makubanda sine heater ekhasi sine heater yomhlakazi so there were those negative comments around abantu ukuthi ayengeke ngithathe umntanami aye crash yomkhukhu until uNkulunkulu because thina asikho we are not you remember I said we are not profit driven we are not number driven like that's not thing abantwana abaningi ukuthi abantwana bethu ababaningi no we don't really care about that we care about quality than quantity uyayibona ukuthi let us do the right kulabo abakhona and then labo abakhona bazositholela abanye that's what happened ke because abantwana that I'm getting from eCenter mina angihambi ngiadvertise so abantwana ngibathola la eCenter babaza nabazali balabo bahamba la abazali bayi recommend ukuthi ubheke umntanami and also that's why ama numbers ekhula again because abantu base recommend ukuthi we are doing right and bathi kule yamkhukhulu ukukhuluma English proper uyayibona hayi le isifana kayo hayi leselection hayi my friend uyayibona hayi
I say it's strictly English like
it's English medium school makafika umntwana obviously angithi akakajwayeli but makabona I always tell my teachers ukuthi umntwana you can tell fetch me that class or bring me that qala kabuzwa ka understand you lost message ngicela ungiphe nani cup uzokuletha but mawusho kwesi2 angeke sisonke iphele 3 days umntwana engaka understand
this bafika
fast bonke and I'm getting compliments from the parents as abantwana bafike this year already they are happy they like umntanami a 2-year-old a toddler izothi I'm finished ukaqeda ukudla thank you I'm finished
nabazali ekhaya uyabagcugcuzela ukuthi babakhulumise
English yeah sho bazali asithi English like is the thing but let us face in reality English is the universal language uyayibona
shuthi umuntu ongazi ekhaya ne ngasho ukuthi i-preschool iqala from which age to which age oyiranayo ekhaya
siqala kwi1 year thina sibathatha from 1 year we have reasons abanye babathatha from 0 like 6 months and all that but now we have ama reasons why sibaqala sithatha from 1 year to 6 years.
Ungakhona ukushare ama-reasons.
Okay, yes. I remember asina permanent structure at the moment. Njengoba ubona ukuthi sisasele imikhukhu. Even though imikhukhu yethu ine-ceiling, nibona imikhukhu yethu ine-ceiling. Even though, so abantwana abancane, like abantwana abancane, ama-babies, they get sick often. So labo badinga mina as principal ukuthi ngiyenze because teacher can do so much. Badinga umuntu omdala ithi ngisho kanjalo ukuthi athi look after the kids, so they get sick often. So we are trying to avoid that ukuthi let us not singazibizeli into esingeke because esingesikhona because nami sisonke, I must say this, I'm hardly here mina qala because ngiyahamba ngiyocela ukuthi guys help us. Remember I said asina mali, siyacela so sabacela ama donations ukuthi abantwana badle. Abazali ngeke baze ba understand phela ukuthi uzotshela ukuthi hayi bazala nginakudla, umzali akayi understand leyo. Umzali ufuna ukubona umntwana wakhe eneyihlathi njengalabo ababala ekhuluphala. And thank God I'm getting compliments from abazali the way bajabule ngakhona bathi abantwana babo soloko befikile bathi hey uyadlisa mntwana kanti abantwana ngithi ayiyadlisa impela ke shem ayiyadlisa lapho ngiyazithemba kiri ke baphala kawufela mo ngiyadlisa
ayesho ukuthi abantwana abazali abasho ukuthi no endlini kwami umntana kahle akana problem ukuthi umntana akafuni ukudla kodwa makalapha kuyazi
bathi abazali eyona into engiyitholayo mababuya la abantwana bami babuya babeka ama-school bag bayodlala abanankinga yokubafuna ukudla. That's what they iyona into abajabulisayo leyo ukuthi umntwana wakhe makafika akafike elangazelela ukudla uyazi ukuthi udlile uyayibona. And that's the reason behind the ukuthi ngenze sure ukuthi badlile. I understand sisonke ukuthi omunye umntwana kubo kuyasokola ukuthi kuze kube khona nje papa nekhabishi kunzima. So let us do our bit, senze sure ukuthi umntwana uhamba asuthi noma umzali wakhe late ayiphi plan, but at least sazi ukuthi uhambe right like crash. Nokuthi komnye umzali usemsebenzini uzobuya ngo7 uzophuma la ecrash ngo4 next door agciniswe next door abanandaba mhlambe uceliwe nje akabhalelwa.
So aftercare la ekhaya
aftercare asinayo like because we do not stay here or a center asihlali la center sisahlala njengoba ngishilo ngathi we do not have a
permanent center. Outsource like
yes, we do have umama esebenza naye ngale osisebenzana naye on aftercare. So umzali makasitshela ukuthi mina nginkinga ukuthi ngibuya ngo7 no from ngo4 sizokuhambisela yena lapha then we will speak with her ukuthi ngibhadalana kanjani ngale 3 hours but nawe umsebenzi uphela ngo4. Yes,
osho ukuthi ama payment and stuff
sebabonana bona esite but thina welethe side senza sure ukuthi lo mntana ozohamba ayo aftercare uhamba la full right.
So ubalance kanjani i-education care ne-business at the same time because I believe ukuthi angeke uthi ngiya all out for preschool ngoba ekugcineni nawo umeluza
yes, njengoba ngisho ngithi uNkulunkulu is a provider. I know it's a cliche sometimes umuntu uzothi actually usho kanjani but it is the truth. God has been providing for this crash. Angazi nami I do not know but money wise we do not make profit. Yes. And also uNkulunkulu because he is a provider wenza sure you know what sisonke a prayer enziwa umntwana prayer enziwa uwe ungaka. Those are two different prayers. uNkulunkulu uyizwa ngcono yenziwa uwe because ngithi yena akakahlangani nezomhlaba akaboni. So we pray with my kids. In a prayer for each day. On Monday we pray for protection, Tuesday provision, Wednesday guidance, Thursday we pray for health. I do not know where that revelation came from, but when I started this crash, that's what was late. We have those prayers. I think uNkulunkulu uyasizwa again because we do not lack. He always comes through for us. Kufakaza a church where I lang sonta khona ngithi I remember I said mangiqala la crash bengisebenza and then mangisebenza sisonke I lost umsebenzi bengisebenza. I was into construction. I lost umsebenzi ngo September ka 2024 ngawo umsebenzi waphela nje. Obviously ngizoba frustrated. Now I had to be here ukuze ngihlale ngi-right because this is my happy place. This is where I become saying
i-crash preschool therapy uyivule usasebenza
and I continued working ngisebenza but umsebenzi bengisebenza benginesikhathi esiningi bengikhona ukuthi ngibe la uthola emsebenzini ngiba khona nje for 3 hours bese ngiyahamba la e-center uyayibona then umsebenzi waphela so ngilana ke manje back to full time angisebenzi ndawo nje ngisebenza la ekhaya and then back to indaba ye-education mas uNkulunkulu has blessed me ngabo teacher. Remember I said I hired abo teacher aba qualified. I have a qualified teacher as you can see la yes, and also and teachers that are eager to learn. Abafuna nje lama course ingokuthola la course ye 1 week 2 weeks they go there bayafunda abantwana bami namanje they are busy learning babaphuma la ngo4 abo teacher bahamba baye esikolweni the other 2 teachers bayahamba baye esikolweni benza amanto this certificate ama ECD thing yabo uyayibona ukuthi babe qualified nawo
ukuthi abantu yaba-uplift mabafika la ekhaya umuntu awuniyekeleli
I cannot afford to do that because I need ukuthi uplifter not for my benefit but for their benefit and also for the benefit of my children because I want ukuthi sibe yileya you know the cream of the crop you know that ngifuna that sizokuthi sibe yileya uyayibona isithi and sizoba yiyo I'm telling you sizofika
yiphi advice ongayinikeza umuntu ofuna uqala i-preschool?
I would say ungayicabangi imali nanini imali ayiphume nje emqondweni wakho ungayicabangi there is no money e-crash. I cannot say that enough. I cannot emphasize that enough. There's no money. If you are money driven then you are in the wrong industry. Love abantwana and also pray about business yakho. Pray about your center because prayer conquers and ikusiza kuko konke. Ikusiza kuko konke because nemimoya sisonke because we pray for these kids. Omnye umntwana uza ubuya lapha and makafika la uzogula uthola ukuthi uyagula umzali akazi understand ukuthi umntwana bekagula from esafweni uzothi ugulela abantu bane flu abantwana nje bathi nasisemkhukwini hayi ke siyayifela ke iflu umzali uzohlangana nomntwana abanye abantwana balaba abantu bahlala la la ekasi la ngihlala khona ngihlangana nabo ngimthola afaka ivest kungo 6 o'clock akafakanga ijezi ufaka ivest but mina la eCrash mina I make sure ukuthi uwarm but mangihlangana naye ngaphandle ufaka ivest mara makande flu umzali uzothi uyenze kuphi uyithole crash uyayibona akayicabanga ukuthi yena akaqondisi umntwana and all that so you need to pray for those things ukuthi Lord for as long as umntwana are under my care and no child shall get sick not one no child shall get yonke lento nalena ama diseases yabona ama measles and all that zonke lezi zinto not one so when you pray for that uNkulunkulu honors prayer yakho ayenze sure ukuthi abantwana anginayo umntwana mina anginayo umntwana okhawuzela le ambulance la anginayo umntwana okhe wahamba olala esibhedlela ever since that's how gracious God is. Yo uNkulunkulu guys he is so gracious he is so full of grace.
So manje in terms of ukudla ingabe abazali khona izinto abazisayinayo or ama document abawasayinayo ukuthi mhlawumbe umntanami uallergic yesinkweni akasidli isinto samagulu izinto ezifana nalezo ngalama situation afana nalawo
umntwana makangena we give them abazali i-registration form I feel in that registration form kunama questions esibuzayo ngomntwana ukuthi umntwana yini angazwani nayo and all that questionnaire ayiphendule sithatha it's not there just for the sake of being there it's we take it serious sinayo lapha ekitchen njengoba sine menu ezu2 sino menu ka week 1 sino menu ka week 2 ezansi kwakhona siyabhala sinabantwana abawu3 oyi1 lactose intolerant akazwani nje into ehlangene nemilk and all that and then abawu2 abawudla umdoko wethu but funny enough bayidla ipapa and ipapa ibenza mix but umdoko abawudli wona ngiyacabanga ukuthi uyithi ke because most of umdoko wethu angithi unamabele and all that so abawudli nje umdoko so we have those nomunye beyi1 beka ungadli fish siyazi ukuthi masipheke ifish yena lona
allergic to ifish
lelabe nemili yakhe ingahlangenanga yes siyakhuluma nabazali that we have I must thank God. I really need to thank God about them for them because uNkulunkulu who has blessed me ngabazali that align ne vision enginayo and also you need to pray about it ukuthi uNkulunkulu ngicela uma ungilethela abantwana ungilethele nomzali step kule vision esikuyo angasisokolisi angasiniki inkinga because abazali bayanika inkinga sizonke asingaqamba manga abazali they can be problematic but uNkulunkulu ushaya uzobe ngiqamba manga 90% yabazali bala iChampions ba supportive. I have abazali omunye nje angifonela principal mawudlula lapha kwami ngicela uthathe iflower I know ngiyazi uyathanda uqova ngiyathanda ukubenza izinto yes ngicela uthathe iflower mina ihleli lapha endlini mina ngithanda uqova. We have those parents omunye nje akuphathela amapeni amaningi emsebenzini laba abasebenza ema office omunye akuphathela amapeni bothisha bamba benamapens because bahlala bawalahla anyway so omunye
izinto esikhombisa ukuthi
uyathanda omunye akuphathele izinto zozo these things ama sanitizer uyabona for abantwana bami noma ke bazoyiqeda ngelanga eli1 because njalo uma kune sanitizer bazoyithola benza sure ukuthi bafuna ukupressa liyado babona ukuthi uyayibona hence ke we have pre-mixed yabona ngisilebhaleti la ngaphandle elinamanzi anedetol anensipho already elinetepu senze ukuthi babaphuma toilet babagezizandla banayo itepu ngaphandle lapha ngaphakathi ibasini yabo lapha na4 senze ama toddlers yes but ke because the water is warm kule bucket so the isikhathi esiningi babasebenzisa leli boy. Yes.
So manje yini into eyenza ukuthi utishari abe best ubone ukuthi no uthisha lo best for abantwana ngam-recommend ukuthi like ngingasebenzisana naye isikhathi eside?
Like I said ukuthi mina I'm blessed othisha enginabo angiqalanga nabo ngibathole along the way and mangiqala uthisha engiqale naye 2024 wa relocate she was the best or she was the best wa relocate she went to she got married ngisho kanjalo and then she wahamba ohlala ke Cape Town ohlala noYeno because uYeno was based in Cape Town so ngamluza ngale ndlela but she was the best and then uNkulunkulu wangiblessa ngalabo into abalekile sisonke kwi-environment esisebenza kuyo. You need to lay out a vision. You sit down with your teachers. Batshela ukuthi yini oyifunayo ngenyesenta, yini lo ufuna ni produce ini. uNkulunkulu because uNkulunkulu uthembekile uzokunikeza abantu benhliziyo yakhe nabenhliziyo yakho like abantu abanalento. So mawubavulela give them space. I need you have laid a vision and then give them space, let them be creative when you want this but bona abaze nayo ngendlela yabo yila uzobona talent because now abafani they are totally different. 3 of them that I have, in fact 4 ngosisi lo execution because I have 4 staff members. I have 3 classes and 4 staff members. They are totally different but the way united the best
team builder is strong team is strong
the team is they get along. I'm not just saying it for the camera or anything but uNkulunkulu has blessed me. The team iyazwana and they communicate. Remember into esifunda la kwa Great R theme yethu this week is about healthy living. Into esifunda but ihamba ngokuthi laba bangakanani you understand but sonke this week we are learning about healthy living, your fruits, your veg and your washing of hands, your germs, your whatever uyayibona nje yonke into nje ehlangene nokuthi ukuze ube healthy mele ube njani but iyafundwa lapha kuma toddlers iyafundwa lapha ku RR iyafundwa lapha ku Great R so they need to communicate and ukuthi uthole uthisha or the best. Let them be. I try to understand ukuthi unjani lona uso I will make an example by uthisha ugaga Great R uthisha ka Great R uzobuya msokolisa mawuzothi akabenzisa ama morning ring laba ukuthi lezebona lezi hyper lezi zaphandle ukuthi ini uyayenza because she has to uyayibona usemsebenzini but it's not her thing but mfake classini akufundisela abantwana bakho. I can tell you for free ukuthi umsebenzi sesinawo thina abanye abakafiki la kwamanye ama center esesifikile kuwo the way afundisa ngakhona 11 and she is so akajaha unendlela yakhe nje unique yokuteacher engeke mina ngikhona ukuteacher ngayo but she's so good uteacher enginayo and then
so proud her
I'm proud lapho I think and then bese siya ku Great R uRR the creative one. I call her the creative one. She's the one wabona ke loyo mnikeze imatcha iva no like mnikeze abantwana ublend ungena kubo bonke uyabona energetic and then go to kulo wama babies Ooh, she's a darling, that one. She loves, she doesn't have, she's only 20 years, she's turning 21. She's a baby herself, but she loves abantwana. Maybe she wants something from good grade art. Angeke aze yofika grade art hamba yi-1. Uzomthola anamadebut wakhe. Because they love her. She's a darling. So yes, I'm blessed to have teachers that I have, and I try by all means ukuthi mbenze nabo babe happy, because we spend a lot of time here. It must be an environment that is conducive for them, and also nokuthi umuntu makavuka ekseni they must look forward to ukuthi konje ngiye champions. Oh, angabi nanto, oh Lord. Uyabona angazi Drake but abe ajabule ukuthi yes, I'm going there. So let them be, give them space, but support them and hear them.
Yes. So principal, naye umbuzo ukuthi awukahlangabezani nenkinga yokuthi no lo mntwana uhlakaniphe ukudlula lo. So like ngithi ngibe kanjalo, ngibe ngokuthi nidila kanjalo nama challenges ukuthi umntwana lokuthathele edeni and ethe ukuthi uyabona ukuthi no abanye baya pick up but lo ngathi une problem, nidila kanjalo ngama situations afana nalawo.
Abantwana abafani sisonke. You will always find abantwana abanjalo in each and every class. Inayo lo mntwana lo or slow, but you need to understand umntwana onjalo ukuthi oh lo uso, but ungayenzi mistake yokuthi umbonise ukuthi wena awufani nabanye, wena une problem. Support by all means. You'll be surprised. Let me make an example. Ngo December masenza a Christmas party day 22 zika November last year. One of the parents ebezikhuluma la. Umntwana wakhe wenza grade R manje. I think I'll send you a clip yalo parent. Ubaba wakhona nomama wakhona bebakhona. Uthi ubaba wakhona they thought ukuthi umntwana bo slow learner. Umntwana bo ufike ana 3 la.
Yeah.
He's turning 6 later this year. Ufike ana 3. They thought ukuthi umntwana bo slow learner. They were thinking ukuthi bamhambisa umntwana kule ikolo zabantwana abasla. Uthi ngathi I try because ngihlala eduze athi try nalomkhukhu checkile. Mara athi uyabona nje yonke
sithi indaba yomkhukhu
serious nalomkhukhu nje indaba yawo ngapha ne school fees isincane 300 hayi mani uthi yiyo nje lento yakona uthi but to my surprise umntwana within 3 months ngazi ubona umntwana sengicommunicate la nge-English, umntwana seka aqulu ab uyosho kuzi angithi manje sathi ABCD ab
babiza ama sound.
Yes. Uthi umntwana athi a for apple, uthi ngamangala uthi sasabhekana nomama sathi hayibo mose kusho ukuthi labelungu laba yabona lezi esifundile sibe bathi umntwana ngathi uzoba slow, kusho ukuthi bebakhuluma mangaphela lo muntu unormal. I can tell you for free ukuthi lo mntwana manje is the best lapha kunto uma top students. God is my witness. The child abazali bebacabanga ukuthi uslow
une problem,
and ukuthi bokhuluma naye aqedelele lento oyikhulumayo ubona ukuthi nje okusozonza kubanzima, but into abalekile love umntwana sisonke, love conquers everything. Once umthanda umntwana ayifile le yanto ukuthi hayi man ngiyathandwa la, uzombona uzoba right, uzoqaqeka, uzoba right, uzokhululeka. So asinabo abantwana abaslow, sinabantwana abathatha kudala but ababuye babe right.
Kunesikhathi la ubona khona ukuthi yazi umsebenzi engiwenzayo kahle kahle ubalekile, akumelanga ngiyeke, kumele ngibambe ngezandla ezithu. Ngabe sikhona leso sikhathi leso sisafikela ukuthi no lo msebenzi engiwenzayo manje ukuthi ngibe ne preschool ngikade abantwana abazali ba register la preschool. Ngabe sisafika leso sikhathi leso sifikile sisonke leso sikhathi, and singifikela almost every day ukuthi as much as ukuthi ngingakuthandi manje ukufunda by nature mina I'm a very smart person, like incwadi nje amagama akusinkinga but ngiyacabanga ukuthi khona la life ivela nginokha ngatswafa ukufunda, so bekumele ukuthi nje ngosambodi nje uyabona ofundile, but manje leyo nto preschool or isikole center ingifundise ukuthi whether I'm running away from the education, I need to go back to school ngifunde.
So I'm doing that. See, busy the Cortlands is also ngiyaqhubeka nokufunda because now iplan yami sisonke is not about the center only. Sifuna kufike la kuyisikole khona la siphela noma ku grade 3 noma siphela ku grade 7 la i-champions kuse champions iphela ku grade 7 kuyisikole sangemele. And in order to achieve that I need to be a qualified somebody. I need to nami uyayibona as the principal, hence ke manje ngithi nami ngiyabuyela esikolweni nabo teacher bayabuyela esikolweni yabona isukitchen sebeyasibiza ke.
So yini ushintsho ongathanda ukulibona ku preschool? Yeah,
I-preschool yami right now sine problem sine challenge yokuthi asinamali. We want to build ama-classrooms like proper classrooms. Yabona la Westina itina sinazo bafethu out there, please donate. Sineitina sinama-fastera sinama-door frames. We do not have a roof, asina cement, asina isanti, asina imali ubhadala umuntu okokha, and we have the land. uNkulunkulu has blessed us with the land. Uzubone sisonke ukuthi indawo esikuyo ukuthi uNkulunkulu bekasesilungiselele before. Mangithenga this place, I bought this place in 2023 ngoMay. This place I bought it, I paid for it. We private developer. uNkulunkulu emuhle ngayiqeda ukubhadala ngathola ne-title deed, and indawo le is zoned for social development. So I did not have to go with city planning experience and the challenges as my colleagues my city consent letter and all that. No, I didn't have to go through that in a personal, but it's something that I would share. Uzubona uNkulunkulu already bekasesiplanele. So ngizama ukuthi umhlaba sinawo but asinazininzi manje zokuba. Yes, so enough
ukuthi ngakha
ama-class at least masingakwazi ukukokha la ku-2026 sibe na 3 classrooms, proper classrooms. Singambonga uNkulunkulu. Itina sinazo sigalo. Sinazo itina, sina ama-fastera, sina ama-door frame, asina roof, asina cement, asina sand. Sina umhlaba.
So yes. I-lesson oyifundile la e-preschool yini kahle about yourself?
You know, into engiyifundile la e-preschool is funny enough ukuthi I've always been a believer since ngisangina 15. Ngiyamkholwa kakhulu uNkulunkulu, ngiyikholwa enye into, ngikholwa izwi laNkulunkulu and what God says about me. But i-crash ingifundise ukuthi you need to yield uplan kaNkulunkulu. Wena ungaba nawo ama-plans wakho, but uNkulunkulu makabekele lokho ubekele khona, because mangithi ngiyibheka lento ngithi hayi man, it cannot be a coincidence ukuthi crash in land that I bought ibe zoned for social development kanti ngapha mina emqondo nami ngithi ngenza hobby ye crash esayidini. Uyayibona surely there's something bigger than this. Uyayibona I need to yield la njengoba basho umhlabeni bathi la ngiholela khona yila inzoya khona. So yes, so you need to yield to plan kaNkulunkulu, umamela uNkulunkulu ukuthi uthini ngawe, uthini ngale. Hence I'm saying it is very important, very vital to pray about whatever that you do. Every morning, pray about when you wake up. Lord, I'm going to a champions. I'm praying for this and I'm speaking this. I'm nullifying this. I'm silencing this and all that. Like you need to pray and declare izinto ezinhle ngendawo okuyo, the environment okuyo. Because guys, sihlala la sifika ngo6 sihamba ngo4. Uyabona ama-hours angaka?
Yo.
Sifika every day Monday to Friday. West game Monday to Saturday, because on Saturday ngisuka kwami is a big place, like it's a special place, but for some reason ngikhona ukuba productive mangila. Ngizala i-admin ngiyenzela la ngithi awuthi ngizoyenza i-admin yami ke manje ngisuke ngidrive all the way from la ngihlala khona ngize la
ukuthi njengoba urana i-champion daycare preschool, i-message ongayinikeza abazali?
Okay, abazali siyacela the parents support more than anything. Sicela i-support yenu. Without your support asikwazi ukuqhubeka. And bazali, whenever sicela ama-10 rand nama-20 rand sisenza i-fundraising, it is not for our benefit, it is for i-betterment of the center. Sithenga itafula, sithenga imizwinki, sithenga izinto zokuthi basuke, sithenga amabhola, sithenga zonke lezi zinto abadlala ngazo. because abantwana abafundi njengabantwana basesikolweni bona they learn through playing uyayibona bayadlala omunye nje uthi kick the ball and the kick again lokuthi the kick the ball sembambile ukick uyayibona sekabambile u1 sekambambile u2 yena lokuthi uyadlala kanti yena wenza njani uyafunda so sinendlela izinto esifunda ngazo izinto ezibambekayo siyadlala we need toys we need balls we need imizwinki ngoba nemizwinki masibazwinkisa senza so sithi 1 2 and all that zonke lezo zinto zifuna imali so whenever we're asking for ama 10 rand 20 rands whatever amount that we ask from you please support us bazali siyacela it is not because of sifuna imali kuni sifuna asinayo ama resource and nalapha emsebenzini wakho sicelele what oyibona yithi lapha champions lapha esikoleni somntana bangayidinga lento uyithatha ulethe you are welcome siyacela bazali sicela support more than anything
manje champion itholakala kuphi masifuna sizoyithola phi
champions ise Greenfields next to i-community hall yase Greenfields i1 i-community hall eGreenfield la ezansi eDA number 5 Sausage Street vele ucabanga nje ngenyama Sausage Street yes number 5 Sausage Street yila sikhona si champions sila eGreenfield sivula ngo6 to 4 PM yes ngiyibona siyaba transport abantwana bethu
athina ama number
we are the champions we are the winners ama numbers was the champions athi 071 464 7000 ayabona lula kanjani 071 464 7000 wonke umuntu unayo le number isimple imnandi kanjani
so kuma social media platform niyatholakala kuma social media
siyatholakala kwi Champions Day ke kwi Facebook sisazoyivula i TikTok asinasikhathi esiningi kuma social sisamfuna admin ozosinceda ngalokho because siyafundisa phela hlala siseclassini sihlala sibusy so asikho baningi la efonini sebaningi ebantwaneni benu but ke sizomthola uadmin ozosinceda ngama social pages yes
siyabonga
thank you I'm told ukuthi abanye abantu sebahambile I know 40 something abantu sebehambile yabona iphoto liphelile we are still waiting for another pot so yabona lithi today we were dishing out isinkwa and our soup today because we did not have much resources yes so abantu abanye sebehambile ke laba abaphakile ba20 so now abakhona nabangakatholi we have tried ukuthi senze means ukuthi wonke umuntu athole njengoba ubona isikhathi how many isikhathi la I think it's close to 20 something yabona ngabantu abashodayo ngokudla la i-champions njengoba sisuka lapha e-crash nazi ukuthi sine crash it has this side yabantu abadala la we cater for elderly sibabiza ichomi zethu yes ama-champion bangama-champion now we call them chomi sina how many weeks 6 or 7 how many weeks how many weeks now 6 can't be and it was 4 and then lana sina ngabili sina 7 weeks yes we have been doing this thing for 7 weeks now siphekela abantu abadala abala ehlaleni isizathu more than ukubaphekela kahle it's indawo nje ukuthi let us gather together abantu abadala we want to tell you ukuthi siyanithanda siyanibona because abantu abaningi abantu abadala isikhathi esiningi bafila ngathi ababonwa and aba appreciate uyayibona so this is it's our chance to show them and to say to them ukuthi siyanithanda bayazi siyabatshela every day whenever we meet ngama Tuesday la church. We have asked the church ukuthi sebenze i-premises the church because of i-weather. Ngithi abantu abadala sometimes banamadolo banamathambo kuyanetha and all that, so i-church yase-Assemblies of God la ngi-church akhona yasinceda nge-premises ukuthi singasebenzisa. Yeah. Ntombi yafika ngo put ngabantu njengoba sisonke njengoba late abantu abaninzi kuthiwa bebe-40 something bahambile because sebephakile. And siyacela out there whoever that is able to see this, please support us. We love these people. We love abantu abadala bethu abogogo abomkhulu bethu. There's a lot of things esizenzayo, so in a wellness side now exercises and sessions, talks, in a social worker that we work with bekuthoba bakhona sekahambile ngithi ngamunjali guys ukhona ngasitshela bensenza namhlanje. Okay, tell us besenza namhlanje ungozi lephela sisinonhlanje kasiqale besenza benisenza namhlanje namhlanje
esikhuluma ngezinto eziqakile.
yes
Esingazithanda esiqhubekayo nesizithandayo esiqhubekayo. Kwezi singazithandayo eyokuqala isithupha sonke ngabantwana bethu abaphila phakathi kwesi-drugs.
Okay,
isibetha apho ke.
Okay, ukhona omnye ofuna ukongeza? Guys, ukhona champions apha? Ukhona ofuna ukongeza?
Abantwana bathola imisebenzi.
Yes.
Abasebenzi hlutshwa ngoku sihlutshwa ngabo nemali yethu yepeyi.
Yes.
Funeka abazukulwana.
Nabo
ngaphezulu.
And incinci kwale mali.
Ngoku masithi sithetha nabo abantwana bethu bayasikwatela.
Banestress. Asinceda abantu abadala nabantu abangasebenziyo abakhoyo ekhayeni siyabakhethara ne, but our main clients ngabantu abadala. I-priority yethu ngabantu abadala. Nazitshomi zami.
Kancane umsindo.
Nazitshomi zami. Botata obhuti bangathanda ukwazi uba namhlanje u-social worker unincede ngantoni sisebenza naye, and then nizive ninjani xa nigqiba uthetha naye, and also yintoni enibona ininceda ngantoni isukitchen khona ungaphawula.
Social worker naye sizama ukubonisana naye kakhulu kwesibonisene ngayo ngama-drugs abulala ilizwe. Uma-drugs lawo angakhontrolekile.
Yes, ama-drugs.
Siyasaqheba kwelo ukuthi asithethayo urhulumente kule nto yala ma-drugs makafake iswazi apha emaphoyiseni ngoba ngawo la ane-propaganda ihambe ecaleni yiwo la enzela ukuthi makubekho ingozi.
Asifeyile amaphoyisa. Awasikhuseli. So abazali basically sonke are saying, the elders ezalapha champions kitchen, they are saying they are stressed because of the drugs that are circulating in our community. As a result, they are facing izinto ezininzi ezindlini zabo, and nale mali yabo incinci igqibela ingoneli because of the needs abanazo. Abantwana basebenzi and bathi bengasebenzi baphinde abanye bachaye and all that. Andifinisho kanjalo bo? Yes. So ukuza apha kuyaninceda kwelipicala ke kunceda ukuthi nikhe niphume estressing zasezindlini andithi abamele babheke crash.
So bengicela ukubuza ukuthi ngoba i-live video na ukuthi la emphakathini nikuphi nendawo and ama-drugs ana-affecta kanjani?
Sise Ward 58 eGreenfields. Sise Ward 58 eGreenfields VD. Ama-drugs agcwele, it's yimpi esingekhe sikwazi ukuyilwa leyo, and into esingekhe sikwazi ukuyilwa sodwa njengoba bengeke ama-drugs ahluka ngaphezu kokuthi abantwana bethu bewabhema bentshontsha besenza konke. abazali bayahlukumezeka because akekho umzali ojabulela ukubona umntana wakhe kuthiwa nangu umntana wakho uyashaywa, nangu umntana wakho untshontshiile, nangu umntana wakho wenze lokhu nalokhu. So ama-drugs are playing indima enkulu ekumosheni abantwana bethu apha emphakathini, and unfortunately asinaso i-strategy sokuthi singawalwa because njengoba utata bekasho ukuthi even nabantu esithembele ukuthi mhlambe bebangasinceda amaphoyisa ngala agqibela ezitshomi zaba bantu. Ngiyayibona bekoleka kuwo there was one community member ekhe yatsho apha kwi-community group yathi if ufonela iphoyisa uthi lapha yakuthengiswa ama-drugs uxelela iphoyisa indawo entsha yokukoleka because into abazoyenza so kusasa uzayokoleka phaya endaweni yokuthi makancede. So akho mntu ke ufuna ukuzibona sisonke enemy yama-drug lords ngoba lokhu woyikisela impilo yakhe. We understand unfortunately it's yilo battle esingakwazi ukuyiwina but wona ayasiqedela umphakathi nabantwana bethu. Akho mnandi ubona umntana wakho ehamba esozela endleleni, umntana ozelwe ngo-1995 1996 una 30 akana future uhambe elele nje apha endleleni and epasile omnye pase kahle khona nomnye wadropa out kwi-second year omnye sisendimaziyo ibuhlungu wathi wathola ibhasari wayi-top student apha ezantsi. Ubuhlungu uyabhema akana future nje uyabona nje kubuhlungu every day when you see that child uyazibuza ukuthi uNkulunkulu noba sonephi kutheni ungekho usincede ngabantwana bethu. Kubuhlungu akukho mnandi sonke noba singayithetha sibe ngathi but akukho mnandi ukubona abantwana bethu bephenduka izinto abazizwa namhlanje and okuwesi kukhona amantombazana kule nto. Kukhona abantwana abangamantombazana abatshayayo bayazala betshaya kuyinto nje sikhulisa siyakhulisa uyayibona kukubi akukho right akukho mnandi. So abazali balapha eGreenfield onye apha eWard 58 they are stressed because of i-drugs ezifike zamosha emphakathini but ke ngothina siyi-champions into esiyenzayo sinjengoba sisebenza nama-social workers njengoba ndishilo ukuthi thina sithi we are doing our bit akho nto sinokwazi ukuyenza but ibit yethu ukuthi come let us talk ngoba unokuthethwa kuyanceda kuyayiphungula lento. Nimasithetheni sibone into yoba singancedakala kanjani zeziphi ezinye ingxaki enijongene nazo esingakwazi ukuzinceda esikwazi ukuzinceda sozinceda esingakwazi sizoba refera to apho bangancedakala khona. Uyayibona that is the main reason sibabizile abantu abadala ukuthi hayi man we cannot just sit, let us call abantu abadala sibaxelele ukuthi siyanibona siyanithanda we appreciate you and siyanifuna nezikills zenu eninazo. Abanye sisonke bahlele ezindlini babhorekile babukela iTV sifuna ngomso basenzele inazi heritage siyazi basenzele insimbi esizozinxiba ndibona insimbi zenziwe ngugogo thile ndizihle ukuthi ndinxibe into eyenziwe zizandla zalapha eGreenfield. Niyayibona abanye odada sinawo umhlaba bayakwazi ulima utata uNcimbi I know he's very good egarden igadi ihlala igreen basifundise ukuthi ukuze umhlaba uthini ube right silime kanjani sitye apha esokitchen izinto esizityalileyo thina. Niyayibona omnye uyakwazi nofuya into asifundise sifuna loo nto we want to be busy. We want to be busy at the same time help each other grow economically and otherwise. Yes. So siyacela ke abantu abasijongile la ngaphandle abanye abantu banayo lenhliziyo yokunceda but abanasikhathi abantu abanemali osomabhizinisi please come and help us donate whatever that you can Champions Daycare and Elderly Center. Siyacela sicela ukutya abantu abadala bathanda isweet bathanda inyama bathanda ezimnandi bathanda ama-chips bathanda izinto but they cannot afford ngale mali bayihola because le mali yabo yile iphinde yondle yonke lapha andithi. So siyacela please bosomabhizinisi whoever onenhliziyo apha ngaphandle that is watching us come and help and donate. Sikhona apha Assemblies of God eGreenfields siphakela khona every Tuesday from 11 to 1 every Tuesday. Sisakhona ukuphaka once a week. We would love to ukuthi siba cater every day umuntu omdala avuke sonke kwakhe athi yenteni sayaphaya ecaweni uyebona sayodibana nobani bantu amgqibela kudala kukhe kudliwe imbathi kube mnandi sincokole kube njena because they have nothing to do at home and they end up being depressed because of that. Uyayenda uhlala nje ungathethi kanti xa ubona abantu uba right. So siyacela asinanto niyabona ukuthi ibhodela ingakanani asinanix. Last week besidla manqina last week besidla manqina siwathengelwe ngomnyubhuti okhoya apha ewadini uJonas wasithengela amanqina 100 rand sapheka sosatya sonela singabantu abadala nomngqusho so anything guys lento ocimba wena incinci iyanceda your 5 kg of braai pack iyanda because izandla zethu are blessed because we are praying people yayibona yonke lento esenza asiyenzi nje yonke isekelezelwe emthandazweni so siyacela ke abantu abasibukeleyo basiphe bethu nabakwazi ukusipha khona zonke ezi companies Alban siyasicela isonka siyawacela amakhekhe siyacela McDonald's abantu abadala bayacela KFC and all that siyacela please donate whatever that you can to us your supermarket your Pick n Pay your Boxer your Shoprite siyacela bethunana your Mid Choice zonke izinto siyacela niyabona ukuthi asenzele abantu abadala qha nabanye abantu abangasebenzi asikuvalele ngaphansi sithi you are welcome uzodla lapha makanga siphekile makaza sodla nathi enjoy nathi inkosi
Siyabonga.
Thank you.